Is eczema something you have always heard about, but never dealt with it personally until now? If yes, you may wondering just what you can do to cope with it. There are so many things that any of us can do to deal with eczema more easily, and the following article will help you. Manage your stress. If you are upset, your eczema may flare up, which will only exacerbate an already frustrating situation. Learn how to deal with stress and keep yourself from getting too wound up. For example, deep breathing is one thing you can do just about anywhere to help keep your stress levels down. There are several things you can do to keep yourself from scratching your eczema. The best thing to do is keep it covered. Loose clothing may work, or try bandages or dressings on the afflicted area. Keep your fingernails trimmed short, and consider wearing gloves when you go to bed to avoid scratching while you are sleeping. For those that have eczema, skincare must be modified in the cold, dry winter months. During these months, you should use an oil-based moisturizer. The oil in these moisturizers promote moisture retention. The best form of moisturizer to use in these circumstances is an ointment due to the amount of oil it contains. Since ointments are 80% oil, it protects the skin more effectively than either lotions or creams. There are different things that trigger eczema. It's quite helpful to find what triggers your case. Some things that can trigger an eczema flare-up include perfume, soap, some fabrics, and detergent. Stress and sweat are two other factors that should be considered as possible triggers. After you discover which things trigger eczema flare-ups, do your best to avoid them. Never scratch at itchy skin. Eczema can be quite itchy and unpleasant. It is important that you avoid the temptation to scratch. Scratching can cause your skin to only itch more. Worse, it could lead to infection. Find other ways to manage your itching. Try using medications or cold compresses. Put moisturizer on your eczema spots when skin is dampened. Your skin takes this time to get as much moisture in it as it can. Blot your skin using a towel to retain natural oils and help the skin remain moist. You can then apply the preferred moisturizer. Do all this within the first 3 minutes of finishing your bathing in order to keep the skin smooth and hydrated. Although eczema presently can't be cured, there are various strategies that be used to manage it. If you have eczema on your hands, always cover them with plastic or vinyl gloves when doing water-related chores, such as washing dishes. If your hands tend to sweat while wearing these gloves, wear cotton gloves under them to soak up the sweat. Don't take overly hot showers. They may feel great, but they can harm your skin. Avoid hot water and steam as much as possible. Take showers with room temperature water. Use a gentle cotton cloth to clean the skin and apply a moisturizer after you are done. Eczema is a skin condition that produces red, itchy, dry and cracked skin. Using moisturizer frequently will help treat the symptoms and provide some relief. Petroleum jelly is an excellent moisturizer that contains no perfumes to irritate the skin. Keep a jar of petroleum jelly near every sink and use it throughout the day to soothe and add moisture to your skin. You may be feeling a sense about your eczema after reading this article. That means that you understand that the advice shared here will actually help. To make sure that happens, you should start using the advice today. You probably do not want to fight with your skin any longer, and can get back to happy skin again by using the advice shared here. Please check out the link in description to explore amazing treatments of eczema skin condition.